Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.2 question number 10. I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5400 including 8% VAT. Find the price before VAT was added. Let us solve this one. When price price including VAT when price including when price including VAT is rupees 108, then original price original price is original price is rupees 100, right? When price including VAT is rupee 1, the original price is rupees 100 by 108. When price including VAT is rupees 5400, the original price is rupees 100 by 108 into 5400 into 5400. Therefore, we are getting 100 by 108 into 5400. We are cutting this one. 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8. By 2 we are getting 2 are 4, 2 7 are 14, 0 0. Dividing by 3, 33, 3 is 24, 3, 3 9 is 27, 0 0. 3 6 is 18, 3 3 is 9, 0 0. Then 6 6 1 is 6, 6 5 is 30, it is 0. Therefore, we are getting rupees 5 and 3 zeros, 1 2 3, right? Therefore, the price before VAT is rupees 5000, and that is answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.